Fruits names in English: pomegranate, pomegranate, banana, banana, papaya, papaya, gooseberry, gooseberry, apple, apple, guava, guava, nectarian, nectarian, watermelon, watermelon, grapes, grapes, orange, orange, strawberry, strawberry, mango, mango, raspberry, raspberry, pineapple, pineapple, kiwi, kiwi, apricot, apricot, tamarind, tamarind, dragon fruit, dragon fruit, star fruit, star fruit, olive, olive, lemon, lemon, fig, fig, lychee, lychee, blackcurrant, blackcurrant, passion fruit, passion fruit, cashew apple, cashew apple, quince, quince, mangosteen, mangosteen, amla, amla, star apple, star apple, persimmon, persimmon, durian, durian, rambutan, rambutan, acai berry, acai berry, longan, longan, rose apple, rose apple, achuva, achuva, soursop, soursop, pomelo, pomelo, red currant, red currant, jackfruit, jackfruit, blackberry, blackberry, cantaloupe, cantaloupe, wood apple, wood apple, blueberry, blueberry, sapota, sapota, cranberry, cranberry, cloudberry, cloudberry, pear, pear, dates, dates, sugarcane, sugarcane, custard apple, custard apple, tomarillo, tomarillo, king coconut, king coconut, kivano, kivano, elderberry, elderberry, grapefruit, grapefruit, jamun, jamun,